As the Omicron variant spreads, California will soon mandate the booster shot for all healthcare workers. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Carlo Cicchetto. Marcella Lee has the night off.
I'm Jesse Pagan. The new move by Governor Gavin Newsom comes as studies reveal the powerful protection booster shots can give. News 8's Richard Allen has more on where else this requirement is already in place and why it may come too late for some health workers here in San Diego.
We're stepping up our efforts to get people vaccinated, but also get people boosted.
Taking to Twitter Tuesday, Governor Newsom pledged to make sure California's hospitals are prepared for a surge of new COVID cases, driven by the now dominant Omicron variant.
Today, we're moving forward to require all healthcare workers to be boosted to get that third shot, or at least the second shot if they got the J&J.
Newsom is now joining New Mexico as California becomes the second state in the nation to require its healthcare workers be boosted. Since September, the Golden State has mandated its healthcare workers be fully vaccinated, a move that's led to thousands of workers statewide being either fired or suspended.
We support the governor's decision because obviously our healthcare workers have been on the front lines doing amazing work.
Lupe Flores of the San Diego Latino Health Coalition points out the powerful protection provided by the booster shot against getting seriously ill from COVID for healthcare workers as well as the general public.
I think we're all in it together to continue fighting the fight and keeping our community safe and healthy.
In fact, a study released by Moderna this week finds its booster provides a 37-fold increase in antibodies against the Omicron variant compared to its two-dose regimen. This comes as a separate study found those who have not received a vaccine dose are 31 times more likely to test positive than those who are vaccinated with a booster. And as Omicron continues to spread, California's new push to ensure its healthcare workers stay healthy may come too late in some cases. Dr. Chris Longhurst is Chief Medical Officer at UC San Diego Health.
Unfortunately, these huge spikes in cases are already taking out some of our healthcare workers and other critical employees and infrastructure. And so this is going to be a real problem as we see fewer and fewer healthcare workers who are healthy enough to go to work.
Governor Newsom promises to provide more details on his new booster mandate on Wednesday, along with additional steps California will be taking to tackle the Omicron variant. Richard Allen, News 8.